Hello students, myself Mutturaju NP, working as assistant professor in the Department of Mechanical Engineering at Vidyavardhaka College of Engineering, Mysuru 2. We can discuss the numerical on diesel power cycle problem. The problem is as June-July 2019. The subject code is 17ME43. The problem number is 1B in that particular question paper. An air standard cycle has compression ratio is 16. The temperature before the compression is 27 degrees Celsius and temperature after the expansion is 627 degrees Celsius. Compute the cutoff ratio, net output per mass of the air, thermal efficiency and mean effective pressure in terms of bar that you want to do. See, this problem asked in the summer question paper regular only, but some students have failed because they are not understand this problem very comprehensively, and moreover when this problem is given, much of the data you must know the data from the derivation. For this one, the temperature, pressure, that RC value and rho value, gamma value, that relations you must know, then only you can solve this problem. While doing the derivation, you have know many things that you want to reproduce here, then you can solve the problem easily. First and foremost, whenever it is given the pressure and volume diagram, PV diagram, you must write properly. And then what are the things are given? T1 temperature, T4 temperature after the expansion 627 degrees Celsius, convert both into the Kelvin, and then compression ratio is given. You know that T1, T2 relation, T1 relation, all these things, each and every process temperature relations you know. T2 is equal to T1 RC to the power of gamma minus 1. It is the temperature for that particular problem. You must know everything, then only you can solve this problem, otherwise you can't solve this problem. While doing the derivation, you have did this one. That's why you must write all the temperature relation yourself. And T3 is equal to T1 rho RC to the power of gamma minus 1. T4 is equal to T1 rho to the power of gamma. Therefore, you can do this problem very easily. Only the thing, you don't know the value of rho. Then you know the value of C. T4 you know easily. T1 you know easily. Then gamma value need not to give, because gamma value is 1.4. You know this one, you can write this one. Okay, you put the gamma value, the rho value will come. The rho value will be around 1.55 to 2.5, 2.6. You can do this problem. Then you see T2 is equal to T1 RC to the power of gamma minus 1. You will get the value T2 909 Kelvin. T4 is equal to T1 rho to the power of gamma. Put all the values, you will get the rho value 2.2. Therefore T3 you can get by this equation as T3 is equal to 2001 Kelvin temperature. Kelvin is missing here. Okay, it is 2001 Kelvin temperature. RC it is given 16, rho value is given 2.2, gamma value is given 1.4. So by using this equation you can find the thermal efficiency. Otherwise you can use this another equation, that is CV into heat rejection, that is T4 minus T1 divided by Cp into T3 minus T2. You have all these values, you can put that one and then you can get the value of diesel cycle 60.4%. You can use this equation or that equation. Diesel cycle it is equal to 1 minus Cv into T4 minus T1 divided by Cp into T3 minus T2. From that equation only, this equation is derived by considering all the temperature, pressure relations, volume relations. You have derived the equation. So to find the mean effective pressure, the mean effective pressure, it is the ratio of work done divided by the swept volume. You know swept volume, this one is the swept volume. The work done is this one, the area bounded by the curve, actual curve, whatever the area bounded by the curve, that will be your work. Therefore mean effective pressure is equal to W divided by Vs. Here you don't know value of V1, V2 and all. How to find the value? Let us discuss. V1 you want to find out. Otherwise, this problem can be solved, this mean effective pressure can be solved by using the equation, mean effective pressure equation that is derived for the diesel cycle. You must remember that formula. That is very lengthy formula. That's why you can go for this easy method. So this is the one. Then assuming given pressure is 1 atmospheric pressure, P1 is equal to mRT1 by V1. Therefore V1 is equal to this much. You cross multiply this one and then V1 you can get this value. You know RC value. You know RC value is equal to V1 by V2. Then 16 is equal to, you put V1 value, you will get the value of V2. You will get the value V2. Then swept volume is equal to V1 minus V2. Therefore swept volume is this one. This is your swept volume. After this swept volume, you can go for the diesel cycle thermal efficiency. Diesel cycle thermal efficiency, why you are using? Just because what amount of the work is done from this one you don't know. For that one you want to use the Cp into T3 minus T2 minus Cv into T4 minus T1. That is very lengthy process. That's why you are already having the thermal efficiency. You only the thing you want to know the QS. If you find definitely you can get the W. You can do any method, using any methods, but you want to put properly the formula. Therefore the efficiency formula, you know all these things. See, W is equal to new diesel into QS, Cp into T3 minus T2. So you got the value of W. You see here W you got. So you can get the QS value. Put in this equation, you will get the value of W. So W is equal to 662.8 kilojoules per kg. 662.8 kilojoules per kg. Mean effective pressure is equal to swept W divided by this one. This is put in terms of joules per kg only, because it is meter cube per kg. It will comes in terms of Newton per meter square. This is 821,395 Newton per meter square. That will be converted into the 8.21 into 10 to the power 5 Newton per meter square. Since they are asking you people to express the mean effective pressure in terms of the bar, therefore 1 bar is equal to 1 into 10 to the power 5 Newton per meter square. That you know very well. Therefore you can put this one here and then you will get the 8.21 bar your pressure, mean effective pressure. Thank you.